It did a forced landing. Yeah, a forced landing out there in the water. Well, I'm so fucking pissed. I'm shaking. I'm so fucking pissed. So I decided I would do this great shot with the drone, showing the bike, flying over me, going out to the water. And I started with a shot from me with the drone flying backwards and out over the water. And for some fucking reason, it did a forced landing. Yeah, a forced landing out there in the water. And I think it's too deep for me to go fucking get. And I think once it's dunked, I don't know if that'd work anyway. So day one, fucked up my GoPro. Oh, not my GoPro. I fucked up my drone ability. I have no drone. I'm so fucking mad right now. I'm sorry about my language, but that is exactly how I feel inside. I got like, I got something running through my veins right now. And I'm glad there's no one here to share it with. Other than you guys. Anyways, yeah, I gotta figure out whether or not I'm gonna reinvest another $1,200 to get another drone, or just say forget it and do the trip without it. I'll let you know. This is Osoyoos. And that'd be the United States. Nice, now it's working. I'm trying to do voice activated recordings and so forth, and let's just say I think it doesn't like all the noise in the helmet. We're in Midway. We're going to be going down there. Maybe a good idea to slow her down. Got the gas station. A bunch of bikes hanging out. Well, this is Greenwood, and I imagine that was a coal plant. Well, this looks like the old town. Or the current new town. Very cool. Oh, it's a quaint town. Oh, pretty nice. Got a nice western motif to it. Grocery store. Well, this is getting into Grand Forks. All right, we are in the Kootenai area. There we go, Castlegar, 8 kilometers away. Another construction spot. There we go. The bike is easy on the ass, I gotta say. Thank you, Corbin Seats, for that. Wow, we're coming into Creston, and I think I'll pull over and look for a hotel. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Call to ride to be continued.